Hi everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I hope you're going to enjoy our channel today, and if you would subscribe, that would be wonderful, and hit the like button and the notification bell, and always remember to be kind to each other, and have a great day. Hey everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. It is a Christmas DIY that I am going to be showing you. I got these beautiful branches from Dollar Tree and some from Hobby Lobby and some from Walmart. But I think most of these probably came from, I'm going to say Walmart's. I have to tell you, when I guess Dollar Tree is going to start charging $1.25, and hopefully Walmart still has theirs for 97 cents. And I love the way this turned out. It's simple, it's beautiful, it's very Christmassy. I got this box last year at Hobby Lobby. So I basically didn't use any foam or anything. I just push them in the basket. And I fill it so full that you really can't tell, and you don't need foam. So anybody can do this. I love the way it turned out. It's very Christmassy, and you could put it anywhere that you have in your house. I have it by my front door as you come in. And it's on my kitchen counter at the moment. It's got a little bit of a glisten to it and some snowy on it. My DIY number 2 is another floral arrangement. A lot of my containers I've had over the years, so I just reuse them for different seasons, which I'm sure a lot of you guys do. I have had some of these branches that I've had in my little stash, and a lot of these, like I said, I get at either Walmart for 97 cents or Dollar Tree for $1. Sorry that it blurs a little bit because we've set up the camera differently so it would be a little more easier to see. We've struggled with the camera wherever we put it. It just doesn't seem to work right. And I have to work out of my kitchen because I don't have room anywhere else. I'm not complaining. I have a kitchen, and that's important. So I'm just spreading these, I guess it's like the group of florals. I just spread them out. Stick other flowers. I'll cut them with my wire cutters and stick them in between. So I'm not never worked at a florist, so I just try to do what I like doing best and how I think it looks good. I think your best result is to put in a lot of flowers because it just looks more beautiful and it looks full, especially if you've got a bigger vase to put them in. And this is on my kitchen counter, just so that you can see how the colors are and what I used. I love the pine cones and the eucalyptus. The next one for the DIY. Most of these are quick and easy and simple. I got this cute little 3D at Dollar Tree, and all you have to do is put it together. And I'm just going to paint it, and I'm going to use it in some of my Christmas decor. So I am just going to paint it with the olive green. It's like an evergreen paint that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I have the red, which I got from Hobby Lobby, and the white, which I got from Hobby Lobby. I'm not going to do too much in detail because I just want it to be simple and put it in one of my scenes. And I like to do the front or back. Sometimes if the back is showing, then you don't have to worry about it being unfinished. I'm using the Waverly chalk paint for the base. And as you can see to the left, I have my heat gun, which hopefully helps to dry the paint quicker than if you had to wait like for 3 or 4 hours. Usually your chalk paint dries pretty quick though. I'm going to stripe out the candy cane red and white. And probably use the green for the bow. I wished I'd had like a brighter green, but that olive green was like the evergreen trees. That's all I really had. And I do like to use what I have. I go back through for the Santa Claus and just line them out with a black marker. I did find some really cute, I guess, paint markers from Walmart the other day. They were $2.47. I haven't used them yet, but I'm excited to use them because I can never find a paint marker in black at Dollar Tree. So I'm curious to see how well they work. But this was just a marker that I have like for just everyday things. Like if you're marking on cups for your kids or just marking your little plastic bags for the freezer. And that's what I was using. I found these cute little, like they're little wooden presents that I got from, I think it was Walmart or Hobby Lobby. So I'm just going to stick that in there also, just to add something to this 3D decor item. And there it is. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you'll subscribe and hit the like button and the notification bell. And that way you can see my next videos. I'm always a little bit late to the game with a lot of these seasons, but I do have a lot going on. And I have another job and I homeschool. And I have 6 kids. So it takes me a while to get it together to finally do my Christmas DIYs. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.